So Skeem Saam is once again showing why it remains one of the most loved shows in the country. After some viewers complained about the casting choices, especially the addition of more Zulu-speaking actors, many feared the show was losing its original identity. But right now, the opposite is happening. The show is stronger than ever. I don't know what you guys think about what I'm saying, but the arrival of Nhlanhla Kunene as Amandla Dubazane has completely changed the game. His character is calm, smart, and dangerous at the same time. He doesn't shout or force things, but every scene he is in feels tense and powerful. He's got that aura. I don't know the aura that he has. And many viewers first doubted the casting, saying the show was moving away from its Sepedi roots. Some even joked that the show is becoming something else, but now a lot of those same viewers are starting to admit that the talent is undeniable, and a lot of people are actually saying they only watch Skeem Saam only on SABC. That's the only show that they are now watching. Everything else is now trash. Amantla's storyline has brought a new kind of drama, more calculated, more serious, and more unpredictable. He's not just another character, he feels like a real threat in tough, sort of. He's sort of a threat. I don't know if you are feeling the same thing. And at the same time, the show is still balancing old and new. Long-time characters are still there, while new faces bring fresh stories. That's what I like about Skeem Saam. To be honest, they have continued with our old favorites. The people that started the show are still there, and we enjoy that. Do you see other soapies? What they do, they remove the old cast, and the show starts to lose value. That's what they did as well on Scandal. They removed our normal old people, and then they started to create storylines. Although they had improved, but still we wanted our old people that we used to know. And it's like, I think they are trying, they are actually trying, and the numbers don't lie. They are actually one of the most watched shows, and the show has reached millions of viewers, proving that people are still watching and enjoying every episode. Despite all the criticism, the audience is growing. That's the most important thing, that the audience is growing and not shrinking. There are more like people who are actually joining to watch than those who are dropping. This shows something is important with this Skeem Saam show, and it's not about one language or one group. It is now reflecting the real South Africa, where different cultures live and interact together. Instead of dividing viewers, the show is actually showing unity through storytelling, and right now it's working. It's actually working. If you have noticed it, like, I think it has, I don't know how many languages, but it's a soapy that is making sure that everybody is included. And in the end, critics can talk, but the results are clear. You can actually see that people like and are always talking about the soapy all the time. The storyline is everywhere. That shows that the storylines that they are creating are strong, and the characters are delivering, and the viewers are also hooked every day. I don't know what you guys think. Do you think the new cast has made the show better or worse? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts on this one? If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribing. You have subscribed, and we are road to 700. Please, let's do the things that needs to be done. Then we reach 1000 very soon. We are rushing. We need to reach our target very soon.